Welcome. My name is Carolyn Chen, and I'm here to talk to you about my Curious Mondo class, Introduction to Sewing Machines and Sewing Basics. Now, I've been sewing since I was 8 years old. I took lessons, and I've also taught kids and adults beginning sewing. But I've always wanted to teach a class that talked about sewing machines as a piece of equipment, so that's where I'm going to start here. Some more of my background, I'm actually trained as an engineer, and that's my day job, which means I'm very technical, I'm very interested in equipment, machines, proper tools, and training. So that's why I hope you'll enjoy taking a class with me. So to get you a little bit motivated, I'm just going to show you a couple of things that I've put together and talk about why I love to sew. I sew because I want to create things that I can't buy, things that I need, things that fit my body, and things that I just can't find in stores. So here's some clothing items, jackets, but I want you to realize that all four of the things that I'm going to show you are the same exact pattern. So once you learn to do something, you can change it up and got a lot of different looks once you perfect your skills. So the other reason why I sew, obviously, is to make things that I can't find, things that I want that I can't buy. So here's an example. I love clothes with pockets, and they just don't make enough pockets in women's clothing. So this is a vest, but it's reversible. I know you can buy travel vests, but they always look like you're going on a fishing expedition, and I wanted something pretty and things that I can wear out. So here are the pockets on the inside. The jacket's reversible. It fits my body. And then after I did that, I got the idea, well, I need something for warmer weather, so what can I do? So I changed different materials. I've got this one, which is netting in the back, so it's much cooler to wear. I've got really cute, pretty fabric, pockets on the inside, little applique cat. So these are all things that look cool, and you could never find them. The other things I like to do, just solve problems. This is the type of thing that I think would be kind of cool for a first-time beginner project. This is actually something I kind of made because I need to store my hats, gloves, mittens in my closet, and I'm very short, so I'm too short to reach all the upper cabinets. So I made that. The other thing that you might think about doing as a beginning project, not just buying fabric and making things, but maybe going to thrift stores and buying things that are oversized that you can just play with, experiment. You're not wasting a lot of money. Like, for example, this is a vest that was made, it was stenciled by an artist, but she purposely did things too big so her students can play with it. So in this, you know, when I teach you to do straight stitching, here, I made the shoulder smaller just by stitching it over here. And then the whole vest is too big, but I actually cut up the side seams and overlapped them. So there are different things you can do once you just learn these skills. So we'll be talking about how to use a sewing machine, and I want you to realize that all sewing machines, they do the same things, but they look a little bit different, and that's why I want to teach this course, so you can get a sense of what machine do I buy, what features do I look for, if I get a used machine, what does it have to have? So if that sounds interesting to you, I hope you'll consider joining me in my Curious Mondo class, and it's Introduction to Sewing Machines and Sewing Basics taught by Carolyn Chen. Hope to see you.